So after marking your shoulder, you will be marking your strap width. For marking the strap width, you have to come towards inside. Okay, this will be your, here whatever the shoulder marking is done, from there your arm curve will be coming. Okay, keep remember that. Always come towards inside, not to the left hand side. It should go towards right hand side. Okay. Okay, let's start our pattern. So till here everyone done, right? Till the 4 lines drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I will explain the dot now. Dots, how to keep the dots. Okay. So in the measurements, take bust width point. Okay. Bust width point. Here in my case, it is 7 inch. So bust width point, we are going to mark it half of it. Okay. Just take the half like this and mark this bust width point on the bust line, on the second line. So this is the chest line. Okay, this line is the chest line. Next to that is bust line. On the bust line, towards the neck side, this part, this straight line where it is there, it is the neck side. Okay, so there, just place the bust width point and mark it. Okay, this dot, don't get confused.
Can you repeat it once?
Yes, yes, I'll repeat. 1 second. See, take the bust width point. Okay. So my bust width is 7 inch. So you have to take half of it. So half of it is 3.5. Okay. So that 3.5, you should mark it on the bust line, BL, the second line. Okay. In the front pattern, we will be having 4 lines: chest line, bust line, under bust line, and waistline. On the bust line, you have to mark it in half. Okay. So this point is the bust width point, and we call it as apex point. APX. Apex. Okay. Once done marking with that, so we will be taking this point as center for creating the dots. Okay. After marking our bust width point, mark 1 inch towards the right hand side. Okay. From the bust width, place the tape like this and mark 1 inch. These are standard for everything, means like for every size of the blouse. Okay, these are the standard markings. So 1 inch you have to come. Make a note, just this is 1 inch. Okay, so this is the center dot. After marking 1 inch towards this line only, place the tape in this way. I'll just give you a closer look. See, I have marked from the apex point or bust point 1 inch towards my right hand side. Okay. So later on the same line itself, come to the end. Okay. Mark 1/4 on either sides. 1/4 here, 1/4 here. Okay. After marking these 1/4 mark points, just connect to this 1 inch point. So this is the center dot. Like this. Done. Just make a note, 1 inch. From the apex point, you have to give 1 inch. And to the end of that line, give 1/4 on either sides and just connect the lines to the 1 inch point. So this is the center dot. You can make a note, center dot or CD. Or you can call it as center bust dot also. Okay. So many names. Once done with this, from the apex point towards the downside, mark half inch. Okay. Mark half inch down. From the apex point, mark half inch and draw the straight line till the waistline. Okay. Draw a straight line till the bottom line in this way. Okay. So this is the main dart of the blouse. Once done with drawing this line, give 1 inch on both sides. Okay, 1 inch. Please keep mute yourself.
Ma'am, can you repeat the dot name, ma'am, which you kept on center dot, the center dot and another name you told now, ma'am?
This one, this is the main dart.
No, ma'am, no.
Center
That's
bust dart. Center bust dart or center dart you can.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a main dart in the blouse. Okay, after from the apex point, you have to mark half inch down. Okay, from that half inch, draw a straight line till the line touches the waistline. Okay, after that, give 1 inch on either sides. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch on both sides. Okay. Ignore these dots, okay? While marking, I just kept these. Don't get confused. So draw a straight line to this under bust line, okay? Till the under bust line, like this. In this way. Okay? From these 2 points, just connect the half inch point. Draw the lines. So this is the main dart and the big dart. So in total, we are taking this 2 inch. In total, the dart intake is 2 inch. In some cases, if you have heavy bust, in that cases, you can increase 1/4 on either sides. 1/4, 1/4. So the total dart intake will be 2.5. Okay. 1 inch will be sufficient, but in some cases, some people will have heavy bust. So the bust cup size will different, right? So in that case, you can increase 1/4 on either sides, means including this 1 inch plus 1/4, 1/4, and this side 1/4. So total intake will be 2.5 inch.
Ma'am, this 1 inch to which size we take 1 inch? Both sides?
For every size, you can take this 1 inch only. But
XL, large and XL, 1 inch is enough?
yeah, 1 inch is enough. But
Okay.
the chest round also, it depends on chest round. Means if you have, see, in some cases, XL, double XL also, they would have a medium level or, very less level like that. So it depends. Okay.
Ma'am, once can you please repeat the dot point, ma'am, which you have just drafted?
This one,
Yes, ma'am. How much is that distance, ma'am?
this one here,
Yes. No, ma'am.
yeah, it is 1 inch on both sides.
No,
And
no.
here it is half inch.
Oh,
From the apex point, you have to come down by half inch. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
These are standard, half inch and this 1 inch. These are standard.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell which is S size, which is M size, which is L size? The size of S.
Size sizes of S can comes from 28 like that, I think 28, 30. I
For
shared in the chart. You can see in that.
okay, ma'am.
But whatever the chest size or bust size, the dart intake is 1 inch only. But in some cases, in few cases, some body sizes will be different. In that case, you can add 1/4 on both sides. Okay, this is not like it's mandatory or what like that. It's not like that. The 1 inch is a standard thing. You can add 1/4 on either sides if the bust size is more like that. In that case, you can do that. Okay, so this is the main dart in the blouse. Now coming to the third dart, which is on the arm side. Okay, so whatever the lines are intersected here, right? The chest line and the half of arm round line. Okay, this is the half of arm round line. This is the chest line. From the intersection point, you have to mark 1/2 inch above. Mark 1/2 inch above. And mark 1/4 on both sides. Like this. First, mark 1/2 inch above and just give 1/4 on both sides. Okay. And draw a line in the middle one. Take this 1/2 inch point to the apex point. Draw a straight line. In this way. Okay. Draw the straight. And from the apex point, mark 2.5 inch. Okay. This is also standard 2.5. So here this point gap is 2.5. Okay. Please make a note. For the arm dart, it is 2.5. For center dart, it is 1 inch. For the main dart, it is 1/2 inch. Okay. Now, from these 1/4 points, just connect a line to this 2.5 inch point like this.
Ma'am, can you please repeat this armhole dot alone, ma'am?
Yes. See, from the intersection point of chest line and half of arm round line, you have to mark 1/2 inch above on the half of arm round line. Okay. After marking 1/2 inch, give either sides 1/4, 1/4. Okay. And consider this 1/2 inch point and apex point and draw the straight line from that 1/2 inch point. Okay, draw a straight line till the apex. So you have to give 2.5 inch gap and mark a point on this diagonal line. Okay. After marking that 2.5 inch point, before we have marked 1/4 no on the either sides. So connect a line and join to this point. So this is the arm dart. Okay. So everyone understood the 3 darts, right? Yes, yes.
The 2.5 inches is standard one, ma'am.
Yes, standard
For every size.
for every size.
Okay.
2.5. These 3 measurements, whatever the dart creation, 3 measurements are standard. Okay, this is 1 inch for the center dart, and this is the main dart in the blouse, that is 1/2 inch, and this is the arm dart. You can just name it arm dart, and this has main dart. Okay, 2.5. Just make a note of these 3. Done. Once done, just you have to mark your round measurements: chest round, bust round, and waist round. Okay. So here my bust round is 37 3/4. It is 9.5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For me, it's not joining correctly straight, ma'am. It's for center point and a armhole point, ma'am.
Which
This
one?
one.
Dot.
Yes.
Just
Yes. One
share
second.
me a picture. Just share me the picture.
Ma'am.
I'll check.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. This point and to this. It's not coming straight, ma'am.
Yeah. You just share me the picture. I'll just see. Here it is very little. I can't see properly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right now you send me. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone just mark your round measurements. Take 1/4 of your original measurements from chest round, bust round. Mark it on the lines. So I'm marking my chest round measurement 9.5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you just say what you said about this measurement? Ma'am? Just I got a power cut, so I'm joining through mobile. Can you tell what you did now?
Where you missed?
Just this measurement, ma'am. This bust round, you said something, no, ma'am?
Bust round. Yeah,
No, ma'am.
I'm
After,
just
after these
these three
three
dots
dots.
you listened, right? These three dots.
Yes, ma'am. After
Oh,
that,
just
arm.
mark your round measurements: chest round, bust round, and waist round. That's what I'm telling. Mark your round measurements. Take 1/4 of your round measurement and mark it. Okay.
1/4 of which one, ma'am?
1/4 of your round measurements: chest round measurement, bust round, and waist round.
Okay, all the on the lines I have to mark now, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Nivedita, right? Nivetya. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have marked, yes, you have marked 1/2 inch above, no? So take
Ma'am.
from that 1/2 inch to the apex point, just draw a line.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First you
Okay,
draw
ma'am.
the line, then mark
Okay,
2
ma'am.
and 1/2. Okay. Later,
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
from the 1/4 points, you just connect it. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So once done with the darts, just mark your round measurements: chest round and bust round. See, bust round and under bust round both are same. Okay, just whatever the bust round measurement is yours, just mark the same measurement on the under bust round, bust line, under bust line.
Video is not coming, ma'am.
One second.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So bust round measurement itself you have to mark on. I'm sorry. One second. Yeah. So whatever the bust round measurement you get, 1/4 of it, the same thing you have to mark it on the under bust line. Oh no, what happened? If my voice is audible, right? Any noise is coming from my end?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes,
Only video is
we
not
can hear
coming, ma'am.
you,
Ah,
but
yeah, I stopped
yeah,
it.
no.
And it's showing some
Okay.
error. That's why I have stopped. Okay. Again. So bus round and under bus round. Oh God.
Ma'am, when you speak,
Ye-
that video
Yes,
is interrupting.
yes, got it. 1 second. Give me 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, if at all again the video gets stopped, let me know. I'll share another link. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Sorry for the inconvenience. I will share Zoom link. Okay, please join that. I'll share in the group. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone. Sorry for the disturbance.
It's okay, ma'am.
I'm
Okay, ma'am.
ending the link.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
ending this link. Yeah.